Howdy folks, welcome back to Terry Family Adventures. I got me and Mama here, and today this doctor is gonna cream on that strawberry. What? I save all the perverted ones for you. We're gonna show you where we're at.
Terry Family Adventures.
Alright folks, we're staying at the Tipi. We're at Anniversary Inn, like our normal. We're going to show you how this room goes. It's a pretty neat room, like normal. This review is the next morning after we've already stayed the night, just so that we can give you a proper review of our experience. But very, very, very tall ceilings, and of course it has a teepee. That's where the bed's at, all messed up. But that's, like I said, it's the next morning. Say hi, Mama.
Hi.
Alright, we got a nice TV. The murals on the wall are pretty neat. There's a whole area up there. Big fans of all this. Nice TV. And it does have this cool fake fireplace. The light's all dim. You turn the lights down low, and then it flickers in here. It gives a nice fire effect. These chairs right here, they're kind of too short for this table. It made me feel like a little kid sitting at too tall of a table. And of course, they've got the mini fridge. These Indian artifacts. They're probably not even artifacts, but they're pretty neat. Let's see, they got little antler pipe. Oh, they are real. It says it was made by a Navajo native. That's pretty neat. All of this stuff has little tags on it. Of course, we get the big tub. It's also a shower, which is nice. Yeah, pretty neat little bathroom sink area. And then the toilet and stuff's in there. Nice painting on the wall. This place is pretty amazing. Poor little raccoon. He was cute. But yeah, this place is super neat. Now these chairs here are super comfy. Nice little ottomans. And Mama liked the bed. I was not the hugest fan of the bed. I felt like it kind of caved down in the middle and kind of felt like I was rolling all night.
If you sleep a certain way on the bed, it wouldn't be as bad, but it does kind of suck you in the middle.
I like the little turtle lamps.
I didn't even know those were turtles until like last night. I was looking at them and I was like, oh, they're turtles.
But yeah, it's a pretty tall teepee. It took me back to my childhood. When I was a kid, we had a teepee that we would camp in, because my mother, she's Native American from the Comanche tribe. But yeah, this place is super neat. You should definitely check it out. And we'll check back in with you when breakfast gets here.
Good morning, everybody. There's Dad. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
We've got a cup of hot cocoa right here. This is our morning breakfast. We got some yogurt parfaits, some biscuits and gravy, And then we got some bacon. Got some milk and some coffee.
Holy cow, folks. Look what we woke up to. It is a winter wonderland. Right? Mama says she's going to put her Christmas tree back up. But that's like 4 to 6 inches of snow out there on the ground. This is going to be one fun drive home. We'll let you know when we get there.
Okay, so here's the little welcome pamphlet that they give you. And then it shows like their offers that they have, the bounce back. We're actually going to be doing this one for our anniversary. And then we have the romantic rewards, which is awesome because you can put money towards your next stay to get the room for cheaper. So that's a good thing. Yeah, and that just kind of tells you the Wi-Fi password. And then if you fill out this little survey that they have in the back, you can enter into a drawing and you get to, like, if you win, you get to have a free night. And then we always show this book, and this is just what the room is. And then it's everybody's entries. Bathtub. But yeah. I didn't find any cool drawings in this one, but found some pretty funny stuff in there and perverted stuff that I'm probably not allowed to show. But I thought it was kind of funny and hilarious. So I'm getting ready to write our review in here. And then we will head home to our boys.
Well, we're going to show you how much snow there is out here. I'll be lucky if they get out of there. Yeah, how do you like that? Yeah, look at this. This is our Jeep. Yeah. I kind of brushed a little bit of snow off, but I wanted to leave some on there so you could see. Like, that's at least 8-10 inches of snow right there. And so, this is quite the fun times here. Wish us luck getting home. Yeah, you are. Howdy, folks.
I'm short. Hi.